the Z up. Now I'm gonna clean it out and show you one. So this is the Prisma NRG that I installed, and then so this is a buddy club seat. This is like the before, like that's what's in here. That's in here right now. That's the new seat. So it's gonna make a difference. So usually with their seats, there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3. So yesterday I think I did use a 14. Yeah, I did. So I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna vacuum underneath. This car was sitting for about like 4 or 5 months. So I'm just gonna clean it out and vacuum it. Okay guys, so I vacuumed it and then I cleaned out the trunk. This bar was hanging, so I ended up bolting this back up. So 1 seat in, and then we're gonna put together this seat together. Okay guys, so we're gonna start the seat install and putting the bracket together. So we're gonna be doing the passenger side because I already did the driver's side and I kind of know what I'm doing now because I was learning at first because I don't know. I'm gonna open up this stuff off camera, so I'm back. Okay, so we have our bracket, our like side rails, I think that's what it's called. Quote me if I'm wrong. Lift it up. Yeah. And then you have your sliders, which we'll be installing these first, and then we'll do this at the end because I'm not gonna lie, when I was doing the other seat, you really got to use force into it, and I almost like pinched my finger on it. Then it comes with all the bolts and nuts that you need, and washers and whatnot. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really use the washers. That's just me though. And then you'll need like an Allen key and a 13. I do have an impact with a 13 because, I mean, you're not supposed to use the impact, but I do it anyways because it makes my time go faster. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna actually flip this towards me. Okay, so I can see better. Okay, so with this brackets, you're gonna line them up, and this is already pushed forward. I'm not gonna lie, I would struggle pushing the slider to slide it. What you need to do, you need to push the slider up and then pull this all the way like out. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when I do it because I've been struggling. Okay, so I did that, and I'm gonna put the bolt in the last one. Okay, hold it, remember?
We need the Allen key thingy.
And they said you're not supposed to use the impact, but I'm doing it anyways. And once you have it that side on, this is what works for me. Obviously, you have like different ways and however you want to do it. You're gonna lift up the slider part right here, and then you're gonna push it. Let me see. I'm gonna push this one all the way back. Okay, so we did this one. My sister's helping me. I had to move the slider all the way back and then install it. So I'm gonna record this one better. It's just I was struggling on that one. I'm not going to lie, but I was. Anyways, I need to move the slider. This is always a hard part for some reason. Okay, ready? Pull that one. Okay. So you pull all the way out to get to this last hole right here. And then you're gonna take it and put it, and you're gonna line it up with the hole on this side. And then you're gonna take your bolt, you're gonna put it through there. Bolt it down. You're not supposed to use impact, do it by hand, but I'm just doing it because I don't know, I don't really have patience for it, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, put that out. Let me see the bolt. You're gonna get your washer, put your washer on. Do your bolt next. And then you're gonna wanna take these bolts out. There's 2 on each side, and we're going to be keeping these and using them when we put it on the bracket, which the bracket is done. I just need to slide this back so it's even with this, and I hope I kind of explained it the best as I can. I'm not gonna lie, doing these brackets is kind of time consuming, so like recording and step by step is kind of hard, but if I can do it, you can definitely do it. So I'm gonna get this seat on here and then install it and show you guys so how cute it's gonna be. I'm gonna put the slider on. I'm not gonna lie, last time I struggled with this because I kept freaking hitting my finger. But basically what you do, you're gonna have to kind of like squeeze them together and come over here. And then you need to hook them to these 4 things that are sticking out that were on the sliders so they can connect. So I'm gonna try and do it. Ow. I pinched my finger. So I'm gonna put all the bolts in for this seat, so they're all kind of like lined before I bolt it down, because that's one thing I learned is putting the bolts in first and then tightening it, and once everything's kind of aligned. Does this one line up? Let me push it a little bit. And then there's a back one. Okay, real quick. You guys know I've literally dealt with my Z, so many freaking Z's, and installing seats for drifting, this and that. So I kind of got the hang of it, and I think I did a pretty good job doing this now, because before I would mess so many things up and do so many things differently and just wrong, I guess. But now I'm learning it the right way, and yeah, so I'm gonna bolt these down. Okay guys, so that was the install of the brackets, the seats, and obviously they're comfy. Like, I have them in my HR, like I have them, usually I get them all the time for my cars, and I actually might get some for my 240. I'm thinking about it just because the driver's side seat is cracked and ripped, so I'm thinking about doing it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below what else you guys would like to see or what else I should do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.